Quick 60-second guide. Replace your Thunderbolt display webcam and microphone safely. Step 1. Midnight to 010. Power down, unplug, and wear an ESD wrist strap. Step 2. 010 to 020. Remove the front glass and bezel using suction cups. Step 3. 020 to 030. Disconnect camera and mic cables. Note connector orientation. Step 4. 030 to 040. Expose the logic board. Photograph components before desoldering. Safety reminder: use a temperature-controlled iron, safety glasses, and work in a ventilated area. Step 5. 040 to 050. To old modules, then place the new webcam and mic in position. Solder carefully, apply flux, heat pads briefly, avoid cold joints and solder bridges. Reconnect ribbons and connectors, latch them fully, then clean flux residue with alcohol. Step 6. 050 to 055. Run camera and microphone tests. Check clear video and audio. Reinstall bezel and glass, press evenly, verify a dust-free seal and proper alignment. Final check: boot the display, test A/V, dispose parts safely, and seek pro help if unsure.